everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the things I got for my birthday. I'm super excited to get it. I know it's a holiday item and it was on clearance, but I love it so much. I got it for my birthday. It was something I've been wanting for quite a while, but I wasn't about to pay obviously the original price for it because I'm cheap. I'm always cheap, but I like good stuff. So that's what we're going to get into today. I got for a great price Kylie Cosmetics. I got her holiday kit and I am obsessed with it. Look at the packaging. It's like so super pretty. I love the pink and I love the shimmer and shine. The glitter I'm not a fan of because it gets everywhere. Once you touch it, you're sparkling and bedazzled, all that jazz. It's so super cute and sleek and just all around fabulous, and it's kind of like a birthday kind of theming if you think about it with all the glitter. In the holiday kit you get 5 items and they're awesome. I obviously couldn't wait to like try everything out. As you can tell from my face, I used the eyeshadow, the lipstick, the lip liner, and the blush to show you what kind of look you can create with it. It gives you a nice, natural, clean look. I'm going to get into this and open it up and show you what you receive in the kit. Oh my god, so cool. Well, look at all that. It just looks so clean and just well put together. Like, I don't know, I really like her packaging. She always does amazing packaging. As you can see, you get the Kylie eyeshadows, a matte and a shimmer one, the Kylie blush, lip liner, liquid lip, and lipstick. This one is a matte formula and this one is a velvet formula. So I'm not sure if it will dry down like the matte, but I'm sure it will be okay. I'm using the velvet one right now. I'm going to get into here and swatch everything for you and tell you the names. And this is a limited edition kit for the holidays, so there might be some left. I'm not sure. I'll link it down below because who knows how long these will last for, so hopefully you can snag one up. I got it at Ulta Beauty from the holiday clearance, so holiday clearance is where it's at. And you can never tell that was a holiday product anyway, just from looking at it. It just looks normal and cool and you can just use it year round. We're going to get into the blush because I have it on hand. This one is the pressed blush powder. The shade is called We're Going Shopping, which I love. I love going shopping, so right up my alley. So you get a lovely blush. I have to admit there's kind of like a weird smell to the blush. So pretty. It has a signature Kylie look with the liquid drips, and I'm going to give you a swatch. It's kind of like a pink tone shade, as you can see. Not too bright on my hand as a swatch, but once you put it on a brush, whew, it can get pretty bright, let me tell you. So you have to be kind of easy and gentle with the blush if you're not into such pigmented blush, because this one is pigmented, I must say. I like it because you can either tone it down or tone it up. It's your choice. Overall, everything else is great. I'm going to get into swatching the mini eyeshadow, and this one is a matte and a shimmer shade. Open it up and you get a small eyeshadow. I'm going to dive into the matte formula shade, show you the color. Very nice natural toned shade, nothing too harsh, nothing too bright, just a nice natural tone. Super pretty. You can barely see the tones, like you have to really blend it up, but it goes on so pretty and it's blendable and there's no problems with application at all. There was no fallout on my face when I used the product. Like other products, you know, you get that powdery under eye weirdness. I didn't get that with this product at all. They work so well together. As you can see, I have the eyeshadow on right now. I have the matte formula, the brown toned one, on my lid and the shimmer shade on the rest of my eyelid and in the inner corner of my eyes, and it's so super pretty, so nice, and kind of gives you like a natural clean look to your face. This is the Kylie lip liner in the shade iced latte, and it's a super nice, very light pigmented lip liner. A little bit goes a long way, as you can see. You don't need to go too deep or harsh with it. I'm just showing you the pigment right here. I'm just going a little bit harder than I would because I want to show you the pigment of the product. So nice. It's a nice, lovely mocha shade brown, kind of like coffee. It goes on so well, and it actually helps maintain your lipstick. It keeps your lipstick in place where it belongs, so it's a very helpful tool. Kylie's so far is the only ones that I've ever used and actually trusted and liked. The lip liner goes with the Kylie liquid lipstick right here in the shade Bear, and it's a nice subtle pinkish toned shade. Super pretty. You can use the lip liner with it, but go a little bit light on your lips with the lip liner so that way it's not super visible, because they're two different toned shades. But the lip liner can go on very light on your lips, like it's barely there, and then you can apply the liquid lipstick on top of it so that way your liquid lipstick doesn't smudge throughout the day. Pretty much her lipsticks are long lasting, and you don't have to really do too many applications throughout the day. I'm going to get into the Kylie Jenner matte lipstick. It's in the shade Almost Friday. I wish it was almost Friday. Isn't it almost Friday? I think so. So it's fitting. Look at that. It has her name on the lipstick. Kylie. Roll that back up. Very fancy. And it's a nice shade as well. It's a nice peach toned shade. Very nice pink shade. Not a very good swatch right there, but the color goes on well. Seems creamy and seems pretty good. I like the color. It's a nice coral sort of shade. So far so good. There hasn't been any problems with the product, only the blush with the smell, but I can get past that. I really recommend that you go to Ulta Beauty and check out the Kylie Cosmetics section. You won't be disappointed. So far, all of her products have been super amazing. Everything I've tried has been so good and very great quality. Like, nothing has been bad. Like, I haven't had anything bad. I think I'm a Kylie Cosmetics fan, I must say. I tried her liquid lipstick and I tried her eyeshadow palette, and no complaints here. Thank you so much for being here and letting me share with you what I received for my birthday, and I'm just so happy with it, and the products are so amazing, so pretty. I'm just like, I couldn't ask for anything more. That was one of the things I wanted, so I got everything I wanted for my birthday. So anyway, I know it's a little early for my birthday, but whatever, it's an early birthday gift. I'm excited. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and also while you're here, why not subscribe? It's free, and don't forget to press that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so please be on the lookout for those uploads. I also post about them on social media when there's an upload, so go follow me there and check everything out. Also in the description, there's some coupon codes and affiliate links, so that way you can choose some great products for yourself or someone special. And I have my Avon store open. Yes, I'm an Avon representative, so I have my information down below, so go check that one out. So many great products at great prices. I'll be posting about Avon products and all the benefits and everything on social media and making future videos, so super excited about that. So let me be your representative. I would appreciate so much. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.